How's it going all? So in the past, I've talked a lot about Marcus by Goldman Sachs and how their 10-month CD is one of the best options on the market today. I'm all about transparency here on this channel, and I like to put my money where my mouth is. So in this video, I'll show you how to open up a Marcus Bank CD and start earning a lot of interest today. But first, why Marcus? Well, right now they have a special promotional offer for a 10-month CD yielding 5.05% APY. This rate is fixed, so you're guaranteed to get a good return for locking in your money for 10 months. The minimum balance is very low at just $500, and there is a 10-day CD rate guarantee. This means that if the rate increases in the next 10 days when you first open an account, let's say it rose up to 5.25%, you're guaranteed to lock in that higher rate. And in my experience, I'd say that Marcus has great customer service, and I like their mobile app quite a lot. Their website is easy to use and looks quite clean. And compared to other big national banks like Discover, Ally, and Capital One, Marcus tends to offer the highest rates. For example, Discover offers 4.75% for 12 months. Capital One is the same with the same 4.75 for 12 months. And as much as I enjoy Ally Bank, they're offering the lowest at just 4.15% APY for 9 months. So right now, getting 5.05% with Marcus is just a really solid deal. So if all that sounds attractive to you, how do we open up a new bank CD? And let's start off as if we are a completely brand new customer to Marcus. We'll first choose Get Started on this promotional tab. Next, you'll see this screen right here. The account type that we want to use is a certificate of deposit. After all, this is a bank CD where we're locking up our money for a fixed rate. The CD term length is 10 months for 5.05% APY on the promotional term. There are other rates as well for 6, 9, and 12 months. However, all of these rates are well below 5%, so the 10-month promo is by far the best option. If we scroll down, you'll then fill out your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Finally, you'll check this box if you agree to all the terms. Once you're done, select Continue. Next, you'll tell Marcus a little bit about yourself. You must use a home address for this part of the residential information. Unfortunately, PO boxes and business addresses don't qualify. Once you're done filling out this information, we can then scroll down and verify our identity. You can then add your date of birth and social security number. Once you're done, it's time to fill out employment status. And most of us fall within 5 different categories: full-time employed, part-time employed, self-employed, unemployed, or student. For occupation, you can pretty much put down what best represents your field. It's not too important though, so don't stress too much about it. For income range, you can then select your estimated total annual income for your household. And finally, you'll have an option to add a joint owner. Most of us are probably selecting no, not right now, and once you're done, click on Continue. And now we're on the security pages. You'll choose a password and confirm it. Once you're done, you'll also have to choose a secret word. And this is really important because it allows customer service to verify your identity. So if you need assistance, it's best to write this down. Once you're done, you can then click on Create Secret Word. And finally, we are making an online Marcus bank account. Pretty simple process and very quick. It probably takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set up your account and start earning a lot of money. Now, if you are an existing customer, it's even easier. First, log into your account. Under My Account, select Open an Account. And this is pretty important because if you accidentally press Open Account instead and pick Savings, you'll actually see this tab instead, which does not show the promotional rate. You'll get 9 and 12 month CDs, but no 10-month promotional ones. And these pay a lot less, so definitely go to My Account, then Open an Account. Here, you'll see the promotional 10-month offer. Click Learn More and then Get Started. And the process for this one is way easier. You'll confirm that you want to buy a CD and earn 5.05% APY for 10 months. Similar process as before. Next, you'll verify your personal information and employment status. Now, since you already filled out this information before, everything should be auto-populated, but you are welcome to update it if things have changed. Next, you'll check the box and whether you want to add joint owners. You'll then skip the verify identity steps, which actually saves quite a lot of time. Be sure to read the agreements and then update your tax certification information. Most people, to note, don't have backup withholding. And once you're done, check the box saying that your tax information is correct and click on Create Account. And on this page, we are funding our new account. Keep in mind that 500 is the minimum balance to open. You'll select the bank account that you want to make the transfer from. I use a Fidelity checking account, so this shows up as a UMB bank. I'll also put down $500 as my initial deposit. You can fund this account later, but just note that you won't be earning interest until the minimum balance is met. And if you're happy about your funding, select Continue. You'll get this review screen right here to confirm your transfer. If that all looks good to you, select Confirm Transfer. Now, if you've initiated a first deposit, you'll see this screen right here. What's really nice about Marcus is that you'll start earning interest on the day you initiate the transfer. So even though the funds are not available and my checking account was not debited, I'm still earning 5% APY on this $500 deposit. Now, if you're depositing 5 or 6 figures worth of cash, a few days more of interest can be a pretty big deal. And this could easily mean an extra $25, $50, or even $100 more of interest. And that's another trait that I really like about Marcus. They're really all about maximizing your earnings. And once you're done, click on Go to Dashboard, and here you should see a new account labeled Certificate of Deposit. Below, you'll also find the maturity date and the current balance, as well as the 5.05% APY promotional interest rate. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. That's about it. See ya.